Hi there, kids! Welcome to Storytime at Cool School with me, Miss Booksy. Today we're reading The Three Little Pigs Battle the Big Bad Wolf. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs and their friend Little Red Riding Hood. They built an awesome brick house, but there was a big bad wolf on the loose. Will they catch him and save the day? Let's see what happens. Wiggle, snap, story time! The pigs and Little Red were doing lots of grown-up things. Only problem was, they hadn't faced the wolf yet. Was he going to come and try and blow the brick house down?
That wolf may come back soon.
Well, all our traps are ready, so let's just wait.
Little Red and the pigs waited. And waited. And waited. But they were abruptly awoken by the sound of their doorbell.
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hairs of our chins.
Well, then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll...
Okay, you can come in.
Sheesh, finally. Whoa!
Sounds like the first thing worked.
Pigs, where are you?
We're in here! Come find us!
A big bucket of glue dumped on him from above. Then Hamon tossed a bag of feathers on top of the glue. He kind of looked like a chicken.
We don't know why you've been so mean to us and destroyed our houses, but you're not getting this one too.
Yeah.
He started to run towards the pigs, but got stuck on the syrup on the floor trap.
What in the world?
Haha, gotcha. Now you're gonna tell us what you've been up to, or else.
Me?
Yeah, you.
We want to know why you're here.
Yeah, why did you blow down my house of straw?
And why did you blow down my house of sticks? And will you reimburse me for the $4 it took to make it? Hello, I need the cash.
And honestly, you've really scared me. I have a fear of leaf blowers.
And I have a fear of little pieces of wood.
Aren't sticks basically little pieces of wood? And you built your house out of them?
Maybe. Whatever, Little Red.
And I'm afraid we are never going to get to the bottom of this if you two goofballs don't hush and let the wolf answer our questions.
Right. Okay, Mr. Wolf guy.
My friends call me Fred.
Whatever. You destroyed my friends' houses, and you scared us, and you even came back to destroy this house. What gives?
Well,
Tell us.
the truth is, it was all an accident.
What?
Remember those papers I had you sign when you got the job?
Yeah?
Well, they're actually the deeds to your unbuilt houses.
How dare you? What are deeds again?
Well, basically, I had them sign over the houses to me so that I owned them.
You lied to us.
Sorta.
Why did you come back here then?
Well, I was planning my next heist when I got a special visit from the fairy godmother. Do-da, do-da-do.
Oh, big bad wolf?
Ah! What? Who? What are you?
You don't know me? I'm pretty famous.
You look a little like my grandma, but with wings.
Well, I'll have you know, I am the fairy godmother.
Okay.
We need to talk.
But I don't like talking to old people.
Pardon me, so rude. And I am only 3,856 years young anyway.
You're right, I'm sorry. Old people are lovely. I'm just a little bit on edge.
Well, you should be, because I know you have been up to no good.
Excuse me? I have only been tricking a bunch of innocent and a little bit dense pigs into signing their entire life savings and their houses over to me. What's so bad about that?
Are you kidding?
You know, now that I say it out loud, it does sound pretty bad.
So, Wolf, deep down, you know it's not kind to trick people.
But they are not people. They are pigs.
You know what I mean. And it's important to not be selfish, and you should think of others.
I know.
You need to make it right. Go apologize and fix it.
So that's basically what happened with the fairy godmother.
Whoa.
And that's why I came to each of your houses to apologize and give you new papers to sign.
You promise these are the right papers? That you aren't tricking us again?
Yes, of course, these papers will fix everything.
One question though. Why were you always talking about huffing and puffing and...
Oh, simple. I have the worst asthma. I'm pretty much always huffing and puffing.
And why did you blow our houses down with fans and leaf blowers?
I was bringing those to you as a housewarming gift. but I'm not so good with machines, so I lost control.
So you blew the houses down by accident?
Pretty much.
Well, I guess we should also apologize to you, because I think our traps were a little bit mean.
Yeah, they didn't make me feel too good. But it does taste good.
We are sorry. We just needed to defend ourselves against home invaders.
I get it.
Well, it sounds like everything is all worked out. I think there's only one thing left to do.
What?
Have a dance party! Yay! So the new friends danced and danced and danced. Porchetta was actually a really good dancer. Check this out. Little Red, on the other hand, was pretty silly. After all was said and done, they had a great time together. But Little Red realized something. My grandma. Little Red hadn't exactly forgotten about visiting her grandma. After all, she had kept checking on her and knew she was feeling better. But still, well, I have to get there fast. Anyone have an electric scooter? Those things are awesome.
Actually, I can call in a favor. I know a guy.
Ooh, sounds interesting.
Look out below!
Cool. Thanks, guys. See you soon.
Bye, Red. Well, I think it's time for cupcakes.
Yay! And that's the end. The three little pigs became friends with the big bad wolf, and everybody celebrated with cupcakes. What a happy ending. Thanks for coming to Storytime. Can't wait to read more stories with you at Storytime soon. Bye. Are you ready for more fun? Time for games. Let's play Count It. We'll re-watch a scene from the story and see how many times you can count Itsy Bitsy. Are you ready to count it? Here we go!
Little pigs, let me in.
Not by the hairs of our chins.
Well, then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll...
Okay, you can come in.
Sheesh, finally. Whoa!
Sounds like the first thing worked.
Pigs, where are you?
We're in here. Come find us.
A big bucket of glue dumped on him from above. Okay, how many did you count? Let's see the answers. There's one. There's two. There's three. And finally, there's four. That was so fun. Did you find them all? Okay, are you ready to play Find It? Here's what you need to look for. Drew, Crafty Carol, Humpty Dumpty, and how about my Miss Booksy book? Okay, are you ready? Here we go! Now where could they be? Keep looking. They've got to be around here somewhere. Maybe over there. Or maybe over here. Time is halfway up. Keep looking. This is pretty tricky. Time is almost up. Hurry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. So how did you do? Did you find everything? Here are the answers. Drew, found him. Crafty Carol, I see you. Humpty Dumpty. And finally, my Miss Booksy book. That's the last one. We did it. Now it's time for Spot the Difference. Ray Blank, Grace Kale, and the gang from Cruel School have totally messed up this scene from the story. Can you spot all the differences in these two pictures? Keep looking. Time is halfway up. Keep looking. Does that look right to you? Keep searching. See how many differences you can find. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how many differences did you find? Let's see the answers. Look over here. Here's one. That's not the right color. This isn't here anymore. Over here. Did you find all of them? Wow, good job. Come back to Cool School for more stories and games with me, Miss Booksy. Bye.